I am a wetland ecologist who works in restoration. And so a lot of my work delves into understanding plant responses to changes in ecosystem drivers. And in a wetland, that might be something like changes in hydrology, light availability, maybe nutrient loading, some effective anthropogenic activity. And I study how that impacts plants at the individual organism level to how it affects the functioning of the entire ecosystem. And a lot of the, I think, application of my research is aimed at better informing wetland restoration and habitat management. Wetlands are not only beautiful and have a lot of cultural and kind of fun value in that way, but wetlands serve as kind of the Earth's kidneys. They're crucial to filtering water and improving water quality. But maybe most poignant now is their role in carbon sequestration and carbon storage. Wetlands are more effective at storing atmospheric carbon than almost any other ecosystem. In general, wetlands can store 4 to 10 times more carbon per area than a terrestrial rainforest even. Here in Hampton Roads, obviously flooding is a big issue. So wetlands play a really important role in dampening wave energy from offshore storms, as well as taking in and storing water, be it from a rain event or a coastal storm. So they're crucial in protecting coastal communities as well. The primary objective, I think, of all science is to fill a knowledge gap, learn something that no one has known before. So that's obviously something we try to do with most of our work. But I think for our lab, we're also a very heavily applied type of research. So we work with local stakeholders working in restoration or federal agencies that are working in land management to better understand what are their research needs in order to inform the restoration of wetlands that they may be working with. I think actually doing research and getting your hands dirty and being able to ask your own questions, figuring out how you're going to find the answer and then executing a study to find that answer is kind of the next step in learning. And luckily ODU has a lot of good opportunities in the College of Sciences to get engaged with a professor or researcher in a lab and begin to look into your own questions that you might have. If someone was coming to ODU to study biology, I would tell them, welcome to a great department. We have a wide variety of excellent teaching and research faculty here. It's a good community, people are friendly, and there's no shortage of different organisms to fall in love with and start doing research on here. For someone interested in working in wetlands, I would tell them, I hope you like mud. So at the end of the day, we want to do science that improves the conservation, restoration, and protection of these important ecosystems.